Hello everyone, this is Tate the Lawn Cutting and Rail Fanning Musician. Happy 4th of July. Yes, we are going to watch fireworks, and yes, so we're going to get ready to watch. Yes, they should be getting ready, so I'm going to do some shout outs. So I'm going to shout this video out to Cody B Pyrotechnics, Andy the Pyro, Pyro Nation, Pyro Dad, Tom Ravenclaw, Epic Fireworks, Temple Fireworks, and when the fireworks do start, Cody B. Yes, if you can comment down below, Cody B. I know you're a pyrotechnic. I would like to see you do some videos of like fireworks that linger for a long time in the sky. I know you don't do professional fireworks, you only do consumer models. But yeah, or if you could get a license and do some real fireworks like that, or professional fireworks, you could definitely do you can do the really good glowing ones. I like the ones that glow in the sky. So yeah, Cody B, if you can just comment down below. I'm also going to shout this video out to Aunt Lee, my Aunt Lee Turner, who actually answered a question in one of my fireworks videos correctly. Because she got an answer correctly. So she got it correct about the first firework on my YouTube question. So yeah, and the firework was invented in China during the Tang industry. Oh, here we go.
Alright, come on, girl.
Alright, YouTube, here we go. Yes, y'all will see some RGB in the fireworks, so yes. Here we go. Hopefully y'all can see them. Yep. Alright, YouTube, there we go. Here we go, YouTube. Here we go. Yeah! Alright, YouTube, here we go. So yes, Cody B, if you can comment down below, just let me know if you can do any fireworks like that. Although not big fireworks, but just let me know if you can. Let's see, oh, that actually looks like a disco ball. Kind of like my Spriek disco ball, almost. Oh, that's an awesome one. Nice glitter effects there, too. Also, note, if you do have epilepsy, do not watch some of these fireworks, as they will contain some strobing. Just as a reminder. If you do have any epilepsy, just be mindful of that if you do have epilepsy. Don't be afraid to look away if you do have epilepsy, because some of these do have strobes. And we're just going to watch some fireworks and enjoy it. Let's see. Oh, we saw some blue there. Blue, white, maybe some green. Oh, there we go. Maybe a little bit of cyan and magenta and yellow. RGB, cyan, magenta, yellow. Yeah. Let's look at all that, YouTube. Man, just look at that, YouTube. Oh, there's some white, some red, some green, some cyan, some magenta, some yellow. It actually is like a disco ball. There's some cyan.
Thank you.
White. Maybe some green and white. More cyan. I'm also going to look up a little bit too, if I can see them. That actually looks pretty. We'll just look at the glowing effect too. I know I got 5 cameras, so it's kind of hard to adjust. But I'm going to look over in the screen too. I'm going to look up so that way I'm not looking into the camera so I can better distinguish the colors for y'all. So let's see, we got some, oh, nice orange, or I should say it's green. Some yellow, cyan, oh, green. Oh, cyan right there. We got some green, oh, more cyan. Green. Can't really distinguish colors in fireworks, but I know there's probably cyan in there. Now let me aim down a little bit. I'm also looking at my screen just to make sure I'm aiming right for y'all. Let me turn this way, YouTube. There we go. Sounds kind of like Tom Ravenclaw's rockets. Some green to red. Oh, nice one. Just got some cyan and white and green, red, blue, white. Oh, that's a nice one. Green. Some, yep, there's some green, some white, some, oh, yellow. Maybe some magenta in there. Also, not just happy 4th of July to my viewers, but an also happy RGB 4th of July. So, yep. Like I said in my first 2 videos, the one of me plucking America the Beautiful on the violin and our national anthem. Yes, happy RGB 4th of July, even though, yes, there's RGB in the fireworks. There's some cyan, some red, magenta, red again. Oh, blue. That's pretty. Green to red. And the blue to, oh, cyan. Yellow. Oh. Red. That's a lot of red right there. Yellow. There's some yellow. Blue. Although it could be cyan. There's some red. Oh, that one actually looks pretty. That one actually looks pretty, YouTube. These are some really pretty fireworks, just by the way, YouTube. Let me aim my camera down a bit. Try not to block the microphone for y'all. Aim this way. Oh, wow. Oh, nice green or cyan to red. Some yellow, white, orange. No, I think that was yellow. Oh, that's got to be a pretty one right there. Wow, just look at that, YouTube. Wow. Just look at that, YouTube. Wow. Just look at that. That's actually a pretty effect right there. I like what they did there. Cyan. We've got some cyan over there. Maybe some magenta in them. Yellow. Oh, white to yellow to cyan. Green to cyan, maybe? Green. Oh, that's a lot of green right there. Yellow, red, orange. Oh, that's a nice glitter effect right there. This is actually just like Venetian Gardens, by the way, YouTube. Let me move your camera down a bit. There we go. So we all can see a little bit better. Oh, wow. Just look at that, YouTube. Look how pretty that is. That's a pretty one. Nice yellow or red. Some cyan and magenta. Oh, green to magenta. Or red. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Green. Here we go. Oh, that's a big one. Cyan to red to blue to maybe magenta. White. That's a very pretty glittery effect. Here we go, YouTube. There it is. Look at that, YouTube. Just look at that. Ooh. And those are probably some really big shells over there. Really big fireworks shells. Just look at that, YouTube. Just look at that. That's really pretty. Some yellow to red. Look at that, YouTube. And that almost sounds just like Tom Ravenclaw. Here we go. Oh, that was a nice glitter strobe effect. Really nice one. Some yellow, cyan, green. That's more yellow and red. That was a pretty glitter effect. Whoa. Just look at that, YouTube.
I don't know that one. I don't know the orange shirt.
Here we go, YouTube. Oh, look at that, YouTube.
What color
That was nice.
I got red, blue, and purple.
Kind of makes me think of the Spree Act Disco Ball. Let's see, we got... Oh, there's a cyan. Maybe some green, maybe. That was pretty. Oh, green and red. Maybe white.
Red, purple, blue.
Green and red again. Blue. Cyan. Oh, that was a pretty one. I like how that went. Oh, just look at that, YouTube. Red. Green. Oh, it looks magenta. Magenta. It must have been magenta. There we go. Oh, yellow to green to white. Red. Oh, magenta in there. There we go. Let me turn this way. There we go. Oh, look at that. Some red, orange, maybe yellow, cyan. I wish they could have done magenta and cyan. That would be awesome. Red, magenta, green, white, and green. Blue, maybe cyan. Blue. That was a nice blue one up there. Got some more amateurs going off. I'm also keeping an eye on the camera for y'all YouTube. Oh, just look at that. That's a pretty one right there. That's got to be a pretty one. Oh, we saw a cyan one. You know, like some of these fireworks might cause your blue cones and green cones to fire. I mean, even though they might be a different color, you can still see a little cyan in there. That's a pretty... Oh, that was loud, too. Some really big shells going off over there. There we go. This is actually just like Venetian Gardens. This is just like Venetian Gardens. Cyan. That was pretty. Yellow.
You're gonna get a lot of bang.
White, yellow, and cyan.
Yeah. Sit down. Sit down, bro.
There's a cyan. There's a magenta. Yellow. Green. White and green, maybe. Oh, here we go. Cyan. Some magenta, some red. There's red. Oh, red to cyan. That was awesome. To white. Green to white. I like the way it glows in the sky. That's pretty awesome. Red, green, cyan, and blue. Oh, that was nice. It went from like yellow to blue, cyan. Saw a little cyan in there. Oh, I like the way that one lingers. That was a pretty one. Oh, you can see some cyan, green, red, blue. That was a nice cyan color. Those are some really pretty ones. Just listen to that. Oh, green. Maybe that was cyan and red. Blue. There's some white, some cyan, some green, some red. And we have... That was nice. Blue. Blue. Red to magenta. Red. Green. Blue. That was probably cyan and red. There we go, YouTube. There we go. All right, YouTube, there we go. There we go, YouTube. Happy 4th of July. Also a happy RGB 4th of July to my RGB viewers. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time for for an all-new RGB video or lawn cutting video or maybe another violin video. So, oh!
Maybe not.
Oh, there we go, YouTube. We were caught by surprise.
I think everybody was. Everybody thought that was it.
Generally, their finale.
I know.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Okay.
All right, YouTube. Oh, maybe that's not it. Wow, YouTube, that caught us off surprise.
Okay.
Well, YouTube,
Maybe we can get up. Maybe it's safe. I get it back up and then there'll be like another one. Okay.
all right,
I
YouTube,
think
happy
that-
4th of
I
July.
think that is it.
Happy RGB 4th of July to all my RGB viewers.
I'm gonna sit.
Thank you guys for watching. And I hope y'all had a happy 4th of July. I know I did. I hope y'all enjoyed watching the fireworks with me. Thank you guys for watching.